Spring into Jesus Collaboration 2021. My very first collaboration. I extend this open invitation to all YouTube creators. Guess who's coming to host with me? If you really want to know, then keep on watching. Subscribe. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Let's get into this collaboration. Here are your hosts. Wild Things Creative Crafting. Love My Babies Forever. Creating with Miss K. One Way Design 238. Check out the rules. A Resurrection Theme Easter DIY, or a Spring Decor DIY, or a Resurrection Theme Tablescape for the Spring Easter season. You may use any items that you already have on hand. You do not have to go out and buy anything new for this collaboration. Be sure to upload your videos on Tuesday, March 23rd at 8 p.m. The host in your video. Subscribe to the host channels. Links to the host channels in your description box. Use the title and hashtag in your video under 15 minutes. Add a special touch with your favorite scripture. I am so excited to share this platform with these wonderful creators. I hope to see you March 23rd, 2021 for this collaboration. Thanks so much for the continuous love and support.